Today I have a chipped nail. Look at that. If you don't know already, I do my nails at home because I can. I can just go ahead and pay myself the $100 I'm going to spend on my nails instead, or go buy some coffee. I don't know, but I'm not going to go spend money when I can do it myself. So there are a few things that I want to. I use the Diva Soak Off All-in-One by D&D, which is my favorite. It's a no wipe. This is the top gel. I don't even know where I put the freaking base gel, but it's around here somewhere. I hope color I used. So I have like a white, but it's like a yellowy white. Like, that's not the one. This is Moon Landing. I think it's Cloud Marshmallow. Yeah, that's it. It's got like it's yellowy, like teeth, and it's exploding. I'll be using the Beatles base coat because my irresponsible self has misplaced and don't feel like looking for my base coat for D&D. So we're gonna sub in. So that's what I'm using. I'm gonna use a little bit of this nail polish remover. It's my favorite brand. I've been using this forever and ever. What do you guys use? Anybody want to suggest something else out there for me? Because I'll take it. Alright, so I'm going to let that do its thing for a second. And I got a new toy. So I was using these little flawless nail files that I got at Ulta for 20 bucks. I have two of them. One of them broke. This is the downside. The charging port like fell in. So that's gone. And I was like, you know what? I needed something more reliable, something more sturdy, something more hard hitting. So I hopped on Amazon and I got this beautiful professional portable nail drill. It's got 35,000 RPMs. It's rechargeable electric. It's awesome. It's a portable nail drill. I got it for $35, between $30 and $35. I love it. Can't do without it. And if you get it earlier in the day, like in the mornings, you can get it the same day. I got mine the same day. So I love this drill. Check this out. Look at that. Amazing, right? Bring it on down. This is probably one of my favorite purchases so far. And I purchase a lot of things. But this right here, yeah, that's it. That's it for me, baby. Oof. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And that's so much better. Yes, so it can go forward, it can go reverse, and it'll tell you like right there. I'm assuming that F means forward. I've been doing my nails. I've been doing my nails at home for over 3 years. I'm still learning. I mean, yes, it's been a while, but I also haven't been consistent with it. So I'm still learning. But this drill right here, girl, get your money, get your money. Yeah, because I don't want to sit up here and pay $15 just to change out one nail, or however. I don't know how much it costs. Like I said, I've been doing my own nails, even do my own feet. But yeah, I'm not gonna sit up here and pay 5, 10, $15 just for you to fix something that I can fix myself. You know what I'm saying? Bingo. And straight like that. Okay, yeah. So I can't charge this one. So let me go over here. This thing is loud. But this is what I was using at first. So if you need something cheaper, this is like I said, it's $20. But honestly, I would just go ahead and pay the 35 for the big dog. If I'm being honest. Probably shouldn't even be using that. Okay. I just use a little alcohol pad. Don't ask me why. Everyone's, got their own thing they like to do with their own stuff. Where is my I have the top. I have to use this base gel because I have misplaced my other base gel, which is the sister to this. But that's okay. That is all right. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. I had a nail dehydrator, but I'm going to skip that and just get right to it. Now, I'm going to put on, I usually don't use this, but I'm going to use it for this one nail because I'm testing this. I'm doing some trial and errors here. So that way I know. This is the pH bond. You can't really see it because it's all grossed out. Hold on. Let me clean it. Can I clean it? Okay, here we go. I just put on this Salon pH bond to my nail. I'm going to give it a couple more seconds. Till then, I'm going to take this drill. I'm going to move it on over. All right, I'm going to go ahead and apply my base. All right. So as far as my nail lamp, I tried the cheap Amazon lamps. I did. I done went through three of them, maybe two or three of them. Was not happy. Did not like them. They weren't curing. They weren't curing at all. So D&D or DC had a sale on. They had this huge sale where everything was like polish, and gel polish was like $5 a bottle. Usually they're like 10 or more. But all of this, I got all of this right here. Look, and I got all of this. I mean, honey, and there's more. I have a lot more. I'm just not gonna bring it all out. I got all of these for $5. Okay, all of it $5, and they have a sale right now. If you go right now, they're having everything is like $4 as far as like the polish, the nail lacquer, and the gel stuff is like 4 or 5 bucks. I got this from D&D. If I turned it on, it would help. This was like 50 or 60 bucks. The actual price was like 150. I don't know. I just wanted a really good lamp that cured. So I end up getting this one. So you have your 10s, your 30s, your 60s. You got your high power setting for 60, and you got your low temperature for 99 seconds. The only downfall with this is, me personally, when you go to a salon, you cure it, move on, cure it, move on. This one, I do it like, I will cure a hand. Let's say I just put the base on. I'll cure that thing. I'll hit like 3 minutes. Okay. I mean, but it's worth it. I don't know. It's worth it because to me, it feels like it's not cured good enough. Maybe I have some type of, maybe it's my ADHD or my OCD, but I would sit up here, hit it again. Because I'll be watching TV. I'm not paying attention. This is like an off day. I'm watching TV. I'm chilling, doing my thing. But yes, if you're looking for a nail drill, I would definitely go with this portable nail drill, professional nail drill, that I will link on Amazon. It comes with 7 drill bits. It comes, and it also has, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7. Did I read that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors. You got your black, you got blue, like a powder blue, you got a gradient blue and purple, gradient yellow and purple, a pink. I have the pink one because pink is my favorite color. And I have a white one. So yes, yes, yes. It is amazing. I think it is definitely worth the money if you ask me. It's got high speed, it's rechargeable, it's portable, cordless. Um, it's low heat, low noise, low vibration. I just think the aluminum alloy quality for the hand pieces are wonderful, and it's easy to handle. So if you are looking for any of these things I mentioned, from a reliable curing lamp to $4, $5 nail gel polish, I'm gonna link everything for you in the description box so you can get this stuff. If you're a at-home beauty girly, you need this. This is a great investment piece. I think it is an amazing investment piece. You will be very satisfied. And if you're not, then I will eat my shorts. I will eat my shorts for you. I promise. I'll do it on live stream. I'll eat my shorts. Again, if you are looking for a portable, cordless, reliable drill, honey, look no further. This is amazing. Oops. This is an amazing drill. And I will link everything that I've used today. Even this little tiny microphone in my description. Okay, let's get to it. Alright, so I cured it. She's been cured. We're going to go in with my DC29 Marshmallow Cloud. We just need one good swipe. I'm not the best painter, but I believe if I just keep trying, every 2 to 3 weeks, I'll get better. Beautiful, right? And I did all this at home for free. Minus the investment I made to get the stuff. Alright guys, that's all she wrote, I guess. Thank you for tuning in.